Hi friends, welcome to the Cloud Universe. Myself Naveen. In this video series, we will be looking into Azure Data Pipelines. How to create Azure Data Pipelines then? We will be making use of Azure Data Factory and Azure Databricks to create the Azure Data Pipeline. And this process can be used to create a simple Azure Data Pipeline, and if you want to create a configure driven data pipeline as well. Now, what is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks is a processing machine where raw data is processed, transformed, or applied some complex tasks on that data, and result will be produced. That's what happens in Azure Databricks. And Azure Data Factory, we can create pipelines to achieve this whole process from loading the data to Azure Databricks, processing it till loading the resultant data into SQL DB. Uh, Now, if we take one real world example here, and before that, I would like to tell one more thing here. Uh, Azure Databricks basically improves the quality of the data. And the goal of this video series is to show you how to create Azure Data Pipeline using Azure Databricks and Azure Data Factory. Data processing is not going to be the goal of this video series. That's why I've taken a simple example of data processing, where I'm going to process a .csv file and remove the duplicates from that .csv file. Uh, .csv file, and then produce the resultant data. That resultant data will be duplicates removed. So I have written some scripts to remove the duplicates in that .csv file and get the resultant data. So as you can see, this is the overall architecture which we are going to achieve in this video series. Assume if we take one real world example, assume there is a market, a fruit market. Uh, Fruits sales data is produced from multiple sources and dumped into the same .csv file. This is the .csv file which has duplicate data here. For example, mango and apple are duplicated here in this file, and this file is going to be the input for Azure Databricks for data processing. Data quality will be improved here. I mean, the processing happens here. Processing means removing of the duplicates in this file, and at the end producing the resultant data. The resultant data will be duplicates removed. That's what we are going to achieve. And to achieve this, we will need some Azure resources to be created. Technical stack would be Azure Service Principal, Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Key Vault, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory. So we will make use of Azure Data Lake to store the raw data, and Key Vault, where we will store the secrets required for achieving this whole process or pipeline. Azure Databricks, where the actual data processing happens. SQL DB, where the resultant data is going to be stored. Azure Data Factory, it is for creation of a pipeline to achieve this whole process. And we should also create a linked services between Azure Data Factory and Azure Data Lake Storage and Azure Databricks and SQL DB. And authentication method between Azure Databricks and Azure Data Lake Storage is going to be Azure Service Principal. That also we are going to create. So I'm going to give a complete demo on how to achieve this. Uh, please stay tuned.